Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you how to export or import database in Localhost with the CMD or console panel. You can use CMD or this software CMDER. This is a nice user interface. So first of all, go to your MySQL directory. Here in my case, MySQL directory are in creation, jump, history docs, sorry not here, MySQL and bin. So I copy this path and open this cmd cd. If you have the other directory, then first you go to the directory, then paste the following link. Okay, here in my case my directory is C directory. So here is my directory. You can see here is a mysql.exe, which is the file which will parse our code. So first we import the MySQL database. So create a database, apm live. Now write MySQL username. Here in case my username is root. Okay, host is the optional. By default it will take localhost. If you have different hosting, then you have to put the hosting name here. Password is nothing. In my case, you don't need to put password here, just put the database name here. Sorry, MySQL host, localhost, username root, apm live. My database name is apm live. The most important things is here, we're going to import a database. So the import is, we are importing to database. So the sign is this arrow. If you have given wrong arrow here, then that can be mess our whole procedure. So we're going to, here my database path is this. Go to security tab and this, copy the full path. Okay, my password is, here is my password is empty. If you have given any password, then you have to put the password. Just enter. The import process is start. Here you will look that the password is database is importing. My database size is 35 megabyte, so it will take a little time. You have 1 GB database, 2 GB database, then it will take further time. But this is the important thing for the console import is you don't need to think about database size. A big database can be imported, but with PHP might be importing, you cannot import such a big database. So my database is imported. So here, this is a Magento database system which contains 300 around 350 field. Okay, now we are going to export the database. For the export database, first you need to create a file.sql. Here in my case, export.sql. Okay, then go to the console, write MySQL dump host, localhost, username root, p for mean password, but we don't give any password here, just keep the database name apm live, then the sign as we exporting, the export sign is, and we're going to put the database path here, security tab, give the database password here. We don't use any password currently. If you have given any password, then you have to put the password here. Just enter. Yes, look at the database is exported so faster. What the benefit here? The main benefit is, if you have large database, then you can export or import the database easily. Secondly is, with PSM admin you cannot import the large database, or if you import that by giving setting to 500 megabyte, or extend the range, but this is faster than the problem is here. If you have database, if your database have many relation or complex database with many foreign checks or etc, then if the database import process is stopped, the command line will not show you here. That's a problem. So by this way you can export and import database with command line in Windows. Thank you.